What happens when the credibility of an election casts a long shadow over regional leadership roles? Today, we delve into why Emmerson Mnangagwa, the disputed president of Zimbabwe, will not assume the Southern African Development Community (SAC) chairmanship. This information is based on the African newspaper called Africa Beautiful or Ruined, a decision that underscores the complexities of political legitimacy and regional governance. The Southern African Development Community, a pivotal regional bloc, plays a critical role in fostering cooperation and ensuring democratic governance among its member states. However, the integrity of this mission comes into question when the leadership itself is mired in controversy. Emmerson Mnangagwa's presidency, marred by allegations of electoral malpractice, has sparked significant concern, not just within Zimbabwe but across the entire Southern African region. According to sources within the SADC, the organization's Electoral Observation Mission, SEOM, has reviewed the recent Zimbabwean elections and found them lacking against the revised SADC guidelines and principles of a democratic election established in 2021. The findings are clear. The elections did not meet the standards expected for a process that claims to be free and fair. This assessment directly impacts Mnangagwa's eligibility to lead the SADC. The implications of a flawed electoral process are far-reaching. As a product of such a process, Mnangagwa's potential chairmanship could undermine the credibility of the SADC, compromising its ability to advocate effectively for democracy and good governance within the region. It is a principal matter. Allowing a leader from a disputed election to assume a significant regional role could set a precarious precedent. Furthermore, despite various political maneuvers within Zimbabwe, including opposition calls for fresh elections and subsequent shifts towards seeking dialogue, the stance of the SADC remains unchanged. The regional body views these internal dialogues as separate from the broader issue of electoral integrity that forms the basis of its decision-making process. By the 30th of June, 2024, the SADC plans to formally announce its position on the Zimbabwean elections and outline its future course of action. This announcement is expected to reaffirm the decision to prevent Zimbabwe from assuming the upcoming chairmanship, reinforcing the bloc's commitment to upholding the democratic values it espouses. In conclusion, the decision by the SADC to exclude Emmerson Mnangagwa from assuming its chairmanship highlights the importance the organization places on credible and fair electoral processes. This stance not only preserves the integrity of the SADC, but also sends a strong message about the non-negotiable nature of democratic principles in regional governance. As we watch these developments unfold, the commitment to democracy and the rule of law remains a cornerstone in the quest for stability and cooperation in Southern Africa.